Thomas and Friends. It's Great to Be an Engine. 2004 VHS. Here's a front, the spine, the other spine, the top, and the back. The episodes are Too Hot for Thomas, Amazing Adventure, You Can Do It, Toby, Gordon Stays Charge, Edward the Great, Jane Goes Too Far, and Percy and the Magic Carpet. The song manual is A Roll Around You. FBI warning. Original warning. Hit Entertainment.
Thomas and Friends, making tracks to great destinations.
Thomas and Friends. Based on Where's is BT1. Created for the way all crop. Storyteller by Michael Fenton.
The island of Sodor is surrounded by beautiful blue sea. It has fields of green and sandy yellow beaches. There are rivers, streams, and lots of trees where the birds sing. There are windmills and a coal mine, and docks where visitors to the island arrive. The island also has lots and lots of railway lines. Who's that puffing down the track?
Thomas.
It's Thomas. Hello, Thomas. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the island of Sodor.
It's great to be an engine. Too hot for Thomas.